ready. Hello beautiful friends, my name is Katie, and for this video we are only 1/2, I'm not really sure how you want to measure this, but we are one Friday away from Black Friday, which here in my family is a thing all on its own. Like, there might be Thanksgiving, but Black Friday is definitely the showstopper of the entire weekend. So I come from a humongous family, and we always get together for Thanksgiving, and then right after like the turkey's been cut, people are sitting down, everyone comes, they pull out all of their sale ads, like we're talking every family brings their sale ads, and they start discussing what they're going to buy and how they're going to strategize. And obviously this was a lot bigger of a thing before, when we didn't have the internet and we didn't have all the sales that happened beforehand. But anyway, this tradition has totally still kept going, and now it's just for the fun of it. And it's kind of that one where like we just all get together and run around because it's ridiculous and fun, and it's what we've just been doing for the past, I don't know, 30-ish years. How long have I been alive? And one of my favorite things is always getting McDonald's orange juice in the morning and just being with my family, even if they're a bunch of crazy people running around. So last year was the first year I introduced these awesome shirts that I was so excited about. They are the Black Friday squad shirts, which, like I said, if you have a huge family like me and they're all in a concentrated area, it was so much fun to wear them. I think I made 10 of these and I handed them out at Thanksgiving. So literally, like, we got so many compliments. Like, so many people out were like, I love your shirt, that's so cool. And then it would be like, oh, I see my aunt over there, she's wearing a matching shirt. And so much fun. We took a ton of pictures in them, and like Target, Walmart, Haverty's, Macy's, everywhere. Like, these were super easy to make. I think this year I'm probably gonna make a long sleeve sweater, because where I live it gets cold and I don't like cold, don't like it at all. So I think I would definitely make a sweater instead of having to like have a coat on or a long sleeve shirt under this. Really, I don't even buy anything anymore because I don't need anything. So we just go for the fun of it. Get your squad together and make some shirts. Grab some shirts that you can either buy at your local craft store or you can pick up something thrifted. And then I'm going to use 2 different types of the Cricut iron-on transferable vinyl. So you're going to want to load it into your machine under whichever one you are making, which for my first cut, I'm going to be cutting the glitter vinyl. You want to make sure that you either mirror your design or you mirror it when you cut it. And in this case, since I'm mass producing shirts, I'm going to cut a couple of the Friday logos on my glitter vinyl, and then I'm going to separately cut out a bunch of decals on the white vinyl. And as you guys know, I always like to weed out a lot of the extra material so I can use it for other projects later. So I've got 2 Fridays on the same sheet of paper. Now, since this is a 2-part logo, you're going to want to line them up the way you want them. And in this case, the Friday is actually going to go on after the black and the squad. So I'm going to lay them down like that and then pull that off so that I don't accidentally stick it onto the top of the white material, if that makes sense. So I'm going to iron these on. You're going to wait about 30 seconds before peeling back the outer layer. Now for the Friday part, I'm going to put this back down on top of the white material, and then I'm just going to iron that down the same as before, since you can see that the Friday does overlap on the word squad. And then after letting it cool, just peel it off and you are done. These are super easy to do. This is something you could totally do on Thanksgiving after you've eaten anyway. You get your squad together, you can make them, woohoo, and wear them out, take lots of pictures. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it's free, and who doesn't love free things, especially this time of the year. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below because I make lots of DIY and lifestyle and ridiculous videos, and I would love to have you as part of my DIY family. Make sure to spread love in everything you do, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!